Smell a little poo poo. Two mine?
Yes.
What girl? We can do it. Gotta give you five. Gotta give you five. Boo, 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 boo. Cruise.
Patient waiting was very quick. Do I see my suitcase?
Heck yeah. Oh no. Do we see, yeah, I see yours. Do I see one of mine? Do I see both mine? Here's the question. I smell a little poo poo. Two mine?
Yes.
What girl? We can do it. Gotta give you five. Gotta give you five. Boo, 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 boo. Cruise boo. Okay, room. Room. Luggage.
Yes,
Luggage.
queen.
Luggage.
Yes.
All right. And Jenny's opening it up.
I never get to.
I know. You get to.
Yes.
Today. Today.
Usually people.
I hear a TV on. We're gonna do it.
You're gold.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am. We're gonna use red. And we're gonna go in. Whoop, whoop. Room tour.
I didn't even get my bag.
Room tour. Oh. Room tour. Let me do a real quick room tour.
Yes. Go ahead. I got your bag.
Okay. We're walking in. We have a sofa. This is the ocean view room. We have a coffee table.
It is a big.
We have a, ooh, oddly. Yeah, but the window's bigger. We have 3 closets. We have 4 drawers. We have a cabinet here as well with a safe, phone, my water pre-ordered, a mirror, and lights. We have a refrigerator right here. It is a water cooler, I'm pretty sure, not a refrigerator. Let's see if there's a freezer. Oh, yeah.
Life rafts are equipped with water, food, and first aid equipment, as
TV.
well as other emergency fittings
Shelf.
and equipment necessary.
2 twins for my sister and I.
The lifeboats and life rafts are constructed
Adjoining door with people we do not know. That will stay shut. A huge window. And we could literally both sit in it. That's how big it is. It is as big as we thought. Yucky rust stains, but we'll look past that. And we are on the 2nd floor, room 2223. And I have room to walk here. I have room to walk in between. 2 lamps, 2 nightstands that open up. I'll open one to show you the space. A bed, or I mean a sofa, but it probably makes into normally a bed if you wanted to have a 3rd person. TV, a picture on the wall, sorry. Coffee table, little settee or chair. There's the lights. You have a European plug and 2 110s, which is US plugs. It's showing the wonderful Carnival Hub TV and a light and the beautiful door. And you have the mirror in this closet here, full length, and then shelving. And then these 2 also open up. There's the door. Here is the cold temperature. I'm putting it all the way down, Jenny, on the coolest. There's the light switch for the bathroom. It's always on the outside. And there's the lip that you need to make sure to step over when you go in. And I will squeeze in the normal shampoo and shower gel. Adjustable shower head. You have the clothesline here. You pull out, attach at that end. Dry your clothes, whatever. A little bit of a palm frond. Shower curtain. Toilet. Normal cabin. A mirror. Magnifying. It's not light up, but it does magnify both sides probably. Double check. Yep. 3 shelves on each side. You do have a plug for a razor up top. And 3 more shelves on that side as well. Soap included. Beautiful blue lavatory, being sarcastic. And your faucet. You have your Kleenex here. You have your waste basket down there. And you have extra toiletries over here. Your toilet paper, your Kleenex, and if you get sick, little vomit bags like an airplane. You have a toilet brush if you stop up that toilet with your nasty butt. And there's the toilet. And that is for stepping out onto the floor after a shower. Remember that lip again. we're coming out. You do have 3 hooks on the back of the door, which is very helpful for towels, robes, what have you, or whatever you're going to throw on. And this is our room. Whoop, whoop. Yay! And Jenny's posing with her hand to model the room for you. Sisters Cruise! Woo! And then we have 2 lights, pot lights, or can lights. And I will show you real quick you have a mirror. That's a mirror. You have shelving. You have safe. 4 drawers. And the rest of the are hanging, and you do have a shelf up top. And the third one, which I don't see shown ever, your life jackets. Remember how to click them in your muster. You have some hangers, and we probably need to get more. And plenty of room to put your luggage if you want. And I think under the bed you can have room. Let me double check that real quick. Under the bed you do have room, plenty of room. There's extra bedding and space for luggage. Let me check my sister's bed as well. And same for there. Extra bedding and luggage room. You got a weird window and curtains. And there's a light switch right there to turn on both lamps, I assume, and then you can turn them off individually here. Yep. Oh no, that's the above light. See that? This switch works these. And that is our adjoining room with strangers. And this, by the way, a lot of people don't realize, it says what it is. Unpack and choose. I don't mean to be sarcastic, but a lot of people have never seen these before. You put your luggage on it so it does not dirty their duvet or their bedding. And it's a good idea to put it on top of here so you can unpack your suitcase. But I prefer to use that. Just stick it up on the couch. They do give you 2 towels to use during your stay. If you decide to take one with you or forget, you're going to pay about $25, and it'll be charged on your Sell and Sign card when you leave. So check your card to make sure. Jenny just turned on that light to show you. She almost hit her head on the door.
Stubbing your toe is not a fun.
There's the light.
Be aware of the other lounge chairs that
And hooks right here real quick, where we put our hats, which mine's kind of sad looking. There we go. There's Jenny's hat. And there's my hat. And the snoozing? Oh, I thought it was cruising or snoozing. It's usually blue and red, cruising or snoozing, but I guess we're just snoozing.
We're snoozing.
But we're not snoozing.
No.
We're not snoozing.
Not at all.
Other people are snoozing. We're cruising. And we're done. Oh, and then they always stick a card in here, so there's no need to ever bring your own. That's for the light right here.
Let's go, Shaq.
Let's go. Okay, we're ready. We're putting the magnet on the door. Sisters Cruise.
Oh, it's not
Oh, no, they were here. Maybe here underneath our thing. Yay! Sisters Cruise.
Hi. Yeah, that'll work.
Okay, let me fix it straight.
Yes.
There we go.